Hey everyone, I am David and welcome back to the channel. What if you could turn a simple idea into a complete, story-driven video that's ready to post on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook in less than 5 minutes, without writing a script, recording your voice, filming yourself, or spending hours editing? Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what ReelTransformer claims to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, what it can actually create, and whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped AI tool. Before we get started, make sure you check the link in the description box right now. There you'll find my complete written review of AdStorm, including all the one-time offers, the biggest discount available, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my exclusive bonuses that cover key areas in digital marketing to help you get even better results with this product. So, what exactly is ReelTransformer? ReelTransformer is the first AI platform that transforms almost any topic or idea into high-converting, story-driven videos from scratch. Simply enter your topic, and ReelTransformer does the heavy lifting for you. It writes an engaging script, creates an attention-grabbing hook, generates natural AI voiceovers, produces matching visuals, adds captions, organizes the video into a compelling structure, and even generates optimized titles, descriptions, and hashtags for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and other major platforms. No filming, no actors, no editing skills. Just enter your idea, let the AI do the work, and you'll have a channel-ready video in under 5 minutes. Now let's dive into the demo and see if ReelTransformer really lives up to the hype.
Now let me show you how simple it is to use it. So we are inside of ReelTransformer, and this is what you get once you log in and you click on create a video. And the next thing is that you can choose the language you want to work with, and then it gives you different prompts that you can give it as a story idea. We are adding more as we go, and then you just click on one of these or you create your own. Now the next thing is to choose the framework, and in my case I'm just going to go with this one. I'm going to choose the hook as transformational one. I'm going to choose the tone to be emotional, and I want storytelling video. So what I want to do next is select how many minutes it should last for. So I'm just going to go with 2. Now you can choose shorts or you can go with YouTube depending which style you want. And let's click on generate story. It normally takes a couple minutes to generate a story depending on how long the video is. Obviously for a 10-minute story, it's going to take a little bit longer to make it happen. So once the story is generated, you are going to have complete story right here, and you can click on edit and edit every single word in this if you wanted to, but obviously this is done for you. You can also edit each individual slide. The next thing that this software does, automatically it creates scenes based on the story. Now, if we click on next, what we can do is change the voice that you have, the media output. You can make it stock B-rolls, AI generated, your own uploads, or animated background. And let's just say I wanted to use animated background. All I would need to do is click here and it would create this type of animated background for this video. Now, if I wanted to create AI generated, I can switch and I click on this right here. But for my case, this time I'm going to leave it with stock B-roll footage. And if you wanted to, you can click and change every single one of these that we have right here. So since this is storytelling video, I want to use this sound. So all I have to do is click on this.
In a world obsessed with noise, the quiet ones hold a power most people will never understand.
So now I can select this as my voiceover and I click on generate voiceover. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to generate a voiceover, again, depending on how long the video is. Once it's done, it's going to give you this message, and then what you need to do is click on next and it's ready to render. So click on rendering and it's going to take a couple of minutes to generate the entire video. Now that the video is generated, it's ready to download. All you have to do is click on download video right here, and it's going to download to your download folder. Another thing is it creates a ready-made titles as well as the description. Same for TikTok, and you can use these for other platforms as well. So once you finish this, all you have to do is click on finish, and your video is going to stay in your stories right here. Simple as that. And take a look at the examples of these videos that we have for you.
She was on the brink of giving up everything. Every day brought a wave of responsibilities that crashed over her, leaving her gasping for breath. The deadlines loomed like shadows, and the pressure mounted until she thought she might break. One night, staring at the ceiling, she held her phone ready to send a message to her boss to quit. But then something stopped her. Instead of running away, she picked up a notebook and began to write. She poured out her feelings, her fears, everything. That simple act became a lifeline. Gradually, she realized that expressing herself brought clarity, and with it, a sense of control. Weeks passed, and the weight lessened. She learned to prioritize her needs, to ask for help, and to breathe. Overwhelmed didn't have to be her story. Now she stands taller, stronger, and ready to face whatever comes next, because sometimes the answer is simply to stop and reflect.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos. Perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones. And Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resell rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Before you make your decision, I highly recommend checking out my full written review using the link in the description below. There you'll find a complete walkthrough, live demo, a detailed pricing guide, a full OTO breakdown, including the all-in-one bundle deal, and my thoughts on who this software is best suited for. You'll also get access to my exclusive bonus package, which is designed to help you maximize your results with it. These bonuses cover different areas of digital marketing, including traffic generation, AI automation, content creation, SEO, and monetization, giving you even more tools to grow your online business. So if you're looking for a smarter way to generate free traffic, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description below. Read the full review, watch the demos, compare the OTOs, and see if this is the right solution for your business.
If you didn't know this, faceless marketing is blowing up right now. My name is Ivana Boshniak, and I'm about to prove this to you. Right below this video, you are going to see results from one of my own channels that is blowing up on TikTok. And this is with simple, faceless videos, storytelling videos. And I shared this method with some of my customers, and they started to see similar results. Now, having said this, creating these type of videos from scratch takes a lot of time. And I used to pay $150 per pop to get someone to create one of these, anywhere from 1.5 to 3 minutes long. And to be honest, that is quite expensive. Now, what we have done is created a software that creates these videos for you, and we called it a ReelTransformer. Now, these videos can be long form and short form videos. Everything that you need, from storytelling to captions to visual text hooks to the slides of the video, everything is done for you with this software. You plug in a couple of keywords and you let it render, and you can post it on every platform that you choose. Now, people are monetizing these on YouTube, they're monetizing it on Facebook, business pages as well. You can monetize it depending on which country you are on TikTok, so this definitely works. On top of that, you can generate leads and sell affiliate offers, digital offers, your own coaching programs, whatever it is that you have, right? Now, having said this, we are ready to launch this software on market, and everything about this launch is listed on this page. Now, what we are really excited about is that this software can really grow these accounts with about, I want to say per account, maybe 15 minutes per day. I think that's tops. And your customers are going to love it because it's super simple to use, because it has voiceovers, it has everything built in, so they don't have to spend money on other tools. So I'm inviting you to join us on this launch, which is happening on the date listed on this page. Everything that you need, you can reach out to me or our dedicated affiliate manager, who is listed also on this page. All the promo material, everything, we are going to get that for you, and we are looking forward to making this your biggest commission payday.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future software reviews, demos, and exclusive bonus offers. I'll see you in the next video.